Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code on the menu is P0341, which means there's an issue with your camshaft position sensor. This sensor is crucial for engine performance, so let's diagnose and fix it. The camshaft position sensor CPS is like the engine's eyes. It tells the computer where the camshaft is at any given moment. This is vital for proper timing of spark plugs and fuel injectors. A bad CPS can cause a range of problems, including rough idling, engine hesitation, check engine light, reduced fuel efficiency, difficulty starting. Tools you'll need: OBD-EI scanner optional but helpful, multimeter, socket wrench set, rags, replacement camshaft position sensor. Consult your manual for the right part. Before we dive into replacing parts, let's diagnose the issue. First, confirm the P0341 code with your OBD-EI scanner. Write down any other codes that pop up. They might be related. Checking the wiring, pop the hood and locate your camshaft position sensor. It's usually near the top of the engine, close to the valve cover. Look for any loose or damaged wires around the sensor. Check the connector for corrosion or cracks. If the wiring is bad, you might be able to clean the connector or secure a loose connection. In some cases, replacing the wiring harness might be necessary. If the sensor itself is faulty, it's time to replace it. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Locate and unplug the sensor's electrical connector. Use the socket wrench to remove the sensor's mounting bolt. Carefully remove the sensor, making sure the O-ring, if present, comes out with it. If the wiring seems okay, you can test the sensor itself with a multimeter. Consult your car's repair manual for the specific resistance readings you should get. A bad sensor will have an out-of-range reading. Install the new sensor with a new O-ring if applicable. Tighten the mounting bolt to the specified torque. Refer to your manual. Reconnect the electrical connector and reconnect the battery terminal. Clearing the code and test drive. Start your car and check if the check engine light is gone. If you used an OBD-EI scanner to diagnose the problem, you can also clear the code from the car's computer. Take your car for a test drive and see if the symptoms have disappeared. If you followed these steps and the problem persists, it might be a more complex issue. In that case, it's best to consult a mechanic. But hopefully, this video helped you diagnose and fix that pesky P0341 code yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car repair tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.